Hey there, quick review on these solar pathway lights. These are fantastic for pathways, and the way they're designed, they give you a bunch of different options to configure these to fit whatever your need is and get them where you want them, however high or low to the ground you want. You can really do that with these. I'll show you what they look like in the dark and give you an overview of how they work. Here you can see what one of these looks like with the highest configuration that you can do. But then over here, I have one disassembled. So you've got 4 different parts and you can interchange any of these. You can go with the stake directly into the light. You can assemble the entire thing. You can go with stake into this extension, into there. You can go with the stake, clear extension there, so on and so forth. As you can see, you can really mix and match these to fit your need. The way these work is really simple. Essentially, because it is a path light, it's always going to be right into the ground. The solar panel is always going to be pointed up. So you'll just want to make sure you install these somewhere with access to sunlight. And then you've just got 2 switches. One mode is going to be standard warm light, and then the other mode actually is a colored light that changes colors from red, green, blue, etc. It's just kind of a nice accent if that's kind of what you're into. I've got these 2 lights set up in my basement here just to give you an idea on how they look. As you can see, the lower you set them to the ground, the less diameter of lighting you're going to have, but it's really easy to adjust that with all of the different pieces that they give you. So this is the standard white light mode. Let me go ahead and switch these over to the colored mode. Now here is a look at the color mode. As you can see, the lights just kind of slowly transition through the whole spectrum of colors: blue, green, red, white light, etc. So if that's something that you like, these would be an excellent light for you. But again, you can switch back and forth between these 2 different features, from going to the changing colors to just your standard warm light.